All right, buddy. Thank you for joining the 2011 Panini Timeless Treasures box break number 8. I'm going to start off showing you the time. It is 9:19 p.m. Eastern Time, and it is Monday, September. You see it? 9th. Oh, there it went. 9th. All right. The last auction just ended at 9:15, and we're going to get this box break started. You can see the box is factory sealed. Has a little Panini logo on it. All right. All right. The first card, Jordan Shipley for the Bengals. It's going to be numbered out of 99. Decent. Next card, Ben Roethlisberger for the Steelers. Numbered out of 499. Next card, Chris Hanburger, Pro Football Hall of Fame card. That's going to go to the Redskins. And it is not numbered. Next card, Greg Jones for the Giants. It's going to be numbered out of 299. Next card, Jamal Charles. It's going to go to the Chiefs. That is numbered out of 25. And the last card, going to Antonio Gates for the Chargers. That's going to be numbered out of 250. Alright guys, that concludes this break. Thanks for everybody that joined. Have a good night.